is the most advanced AI agent for Unreal. In this series, we're showing how advanced it's gotten. Last time, we used Aura to retarget animations for our player and build the underlying pet spawning system using C++ and blueprints. In this video, Aura is going to play our game to verify spawning works, then help us build a landscape, block out buildings, build procedural materials using custom HLSL nodes, and batch edit our level with Python. We'll start with an early preview of the verification agent. I have my RPG project open with Aura. We'll ask Aura to run the verification agent to confirm pet spotting works with key presses 1, 2, and 3, and then check that the pet follows the player once it's in the level. Now Aura is going to create a plan, start play in editor, and run the verification sequence. Right now with agentic workflows, agents can't play in editor to verify a feature works. You typically fire off an agent to build something, come back to test its results, give it feedback, then fire it off again, rinse and repeat. Aura's closing that loop, testing your game and verifying functionality so it can catch bugs early, fix it, and deliver a fully functional feature to you. So this is an early preview of that technology. Let's take a closer look at how this works. Aura is using a mixture of screenshots and its awareness of what's in the level. Then it's running the verification sequence. In this case, pressing 1, 2, or 3 to spawn the pet, and then moving the player to verify it's all working, and then repeating that sequence for each pet. Then it writes a summary of how the test went and reports that things are indeed working. Here's what it looks like when I'm playing in editor myself. Pressing 1, 2, and 3 spawns the different pet variants that we set up. For now, we have these placeholder shapes where we'll place later. Next, let's have Aura help with level setup. Aura can generate landscapes and height maps for you. In this case, I want a valley with mountains. It has a height map editor where you can even paint over or describe in plain English the edits that you want. Then I'm going to block out a small village using the level design agent. The level design agent creates a plan and then uses Python to block out structures. Now that we have a rough setup for our town, you can keep iterating on the layout or block out the buildings in more detail. Aura is going to add doors and windows to each building so we can actually run around inside. And you can keep iterating with the level design agent to add more details like extra floors. Next, let's modify the environment. Aura can generate 3D models directly in your project and import into your level. So I made a tree and a bush, and then had the level design agent use PCG to scatter these around my level. Aura is saving us time on that initial setup, creating all of the PCG graphs so we have a good baseline to work off of. I also use Aura to help me with landscape painting layers. I tried manually painting myself and it did not look good, so I'm using Aura to help me get started. Let's take a look at what Aura set up for us. Aura added landscape layers, saving you time on manually setting these up. Aura also created the landscape material that we can build off of. Next, let's create an even more advanced material. I'm asking Aura to create a swirling blue portal for our player to transition between levels. Aura created the material graph for us, and inside this node is custom HLSL. So this is the logic that's driving the motion and procedurally generated portal. In the material, I also have these parameters that I can tweak until I have a look that I like. Now that we have the portal material, I'm using Aura to set up the blueprint for us. I placed the portal in my level, but it didn't do anything when I ran into it. So I asked Aura to help fix it. While debugging, I realized the portal's linked to the wrong player blueprint. It should be the RPG character. So I went back to my original prompt just to double check, and it looks like Aura did tell me this, but I just totally missed it. So let this be a lesson. It's good to read the full summary of what Aura built. In my original prompt, I just said player. I didn't actually specify which player blueprint. Once I realized that, it was super easy to course correct. I just told Aura to fix it. And now it's all working, so I have my swirling blue portal with that custom HLSL node that takes the player to another level. Going back to our level, you can make batch edits using the Python agent. So here I'm adding point lights to the ceilings of all of the buildings in this level. And then I'm iterating with the Python agent to get the lighting that I want. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'll show you how to use Aura to create a toon shader for your characters, generate sound effects, and batch set up multiple pets. Aura is out in beta right now, and you can get a free trial today at tryaura.dev.